got my wire cutters. I'm trying to cut through these. It's been floral taped around. I want to make this as small as possible. It's a pretty tight floral tape. Floral wire. Wrap it in there. Now if this was for a real cake, I'd be dunking this in wax, because it would make that floral tape is not food safe. It is made for wrapping around wires to make them stay together. So I highly recommend dunking any flower in paraffin wax, the kind you seal things with. Especially because right there, breaking off pieces of that wire in that, you don't want that to get into the cake. All right, I want to put it right like that up here because it's off center. I'm going to use a paintbrush to poke a hole down in there. Give my dummy some place for this to go. Okay, now we're going to take and set it. Without using your fingers, you can use needle nose pliers to help you grasp it and shove it down in. Works beautifully. Even on real cakes, using your needle nose to set your flowers. Gorgeous. And then we set these down where we want them to hide. Anything we don't want to see. Spread them out. Now I know, you're thinking pink after all that ivory. It's what the bride wants. You work with what she wants. It's pretty. A little splash of color doesn't hurt. Put our stamen in the middle. Okay, we're hiding that. Let's test these. Drop them all out. Yep, we're doing rotate, spin, and then pull. Spin and pull to break away from the fondant underneath. So we're twisting. Okay, you get the gist of what needs to be done on the rest of the cake. So as you go around in between all the other sections of rosettes, you understand filling in, start from the bottom, work your way up, let them dry, come back, pull your toothpicks out, and go from there. When you get everything done, you can put a final ruffle on the top between them. So I'm Shelly Sicily with YummyArts.com, and we hope you enjoyed this cake.